Hey everyone, welcome to Ceramic Garage. Today we're diving deep into a topic that many car enthusiasts and owners often consider: colored PPF versus vinyl. Specifically, we'll be discussing the differences between the two, particularly in the context of the Tesla Cybertruck. Colored paint protection film, also known as PPF, is a modern solution to the traditional clear film we're all familiar with. It's a durable, transparent, and often textured film that can be applied over the exterior of your vehicle, including the Cybertruck. While Clear PPF offers protection against chips and scratches, colored PPF takes things to a step further by offering an aesthetic touch in a wide variety of colors. Vinyl wraps are another popular way to change the color of your car or Cybertruck. These are essentially large adhesive decals that can be placed over the entire surface of your vehicle. They can be removed and replaced at any time, making them a versatile option for those who like to change the look of their car frequently. Now let's talk about the differences between colored PPF and a vinyl wrap. Number one, durability. Colored PPF is generally more durable than vinyl wrap. It can withstand more wear and tear, and it's less prone to scratches and tears. Number two, protection. Colored PPF offers protection against chips and scratches, and it can range from 8 to 10 mils thick, where vinyl wraps do not provide the same level of protection, and it's around 3 to 4 mils thick. Number three, maintenance. Both colored PPF and vinyl wraps are relatively low maintenance, but PPF tends to be easier to clean and maintain over time. Number four, installation. The installation process for colored PPF is more involved than vinyl wraps, often requiring professional installation. Vinyl wraps can often be installed by the car owner. Number five is cost. Colored PPF is generally more expensive than vinyl wraps, but this is often offset by the increased protection and durability it offers. Considerations when choosing between the two. When deciding between colored PPF and vinyl wraps for your Tesla Cybertruck, there are a few things to consider. How long do you plan to keep your vehicle? How much protection do you need for your vehicle? How important is the durability and ease of maintenance to you? What is your budget? In conclusion, both colored PPF and vinyl wraps offer a unique and customizable way to change the look of your Tesla Cybertruck. Each has its own set of benefits and drawbacks, so it's essential to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing between the two. In the end, the stainless steel panels are extremely hard to keep clean, showing up fingerprints, scratches, etc. Regardless what option you choose, the stainless steel Cybertrucks are extremely difficult to maintain and keep clean. So putting any type of coverage on your vehicle is the best thing you could do. Whether you opt for colored PPF or vinyl wrap, one thing is for sure, your Cybertruck will look sleek and stylish. Thanks for tuning in to our video today. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you're considering colored PPF or vinyl wraps for your Cybertruck, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Ceramic Garage. We're here to help. See you next time.